Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Today again we will have our value education class. I hope all of you are following the class each day. Okay, so I do not get any query or anything about that, so I'm a bit confused whether you all are going through all these things or not. Well, we let us start the chapter. We were in chapter number 3. I hope last day I provided one video link. You all have watched that. Okay. Now today we will complete the chapter that we have started on the previous day. So let me sum up. We get to know in this particular chapter that one girl, her name is Sachi. She was doing everything except the assignment she was supposed to do. And that her father, her mother, all were giving her reminder, but she was not paying heed. Sometimes she was paying heed. She was trying to plan that this particular time she will complete, but each time she made her plan, something happened and she had to change her plan. So let us see whether she can complete her task or not. Along with this, we in this particular girl, some of us can definitely identify our own selves. Okay, so the reason or the need, rather the need or the importance of self-discipline or self-control is much more required in our lives. So in this chapter, that only we will learn. So let us continue. Okay, page number 28. That evening, when Papa got home, Sachi told him about the football tryout. She was fond of football, so she said everything related to football that evening. Our sports teacher has said that we should do some running every day before the tryouts. So she needs to practice running in order to play nicely. That also she expresses to her father. Papa smiled. That's a good idea, Sachi, but how do you plan to manage everything? Don't you also have to submit the assignment on the open hand monument by next week? So her father gives a reminder. Sachi assured her father she would manage. Instead of watching TV in the afternoon, I will work on the assignment. That will give me some time in the evening to go running. So she expressed her plan that she will cut away time from when she watches TV. That time she will not watch TV, rather she will cut the time and she will put the time into the assignment, and then she will definitely get a bit time to go for workout. Good. So you have a plan, said Papa, ruffling her hair. So while managing her means she just patted on her hair and she said, that means you have a complete plan. The next day after lunch, Sachi switched on the TV to watch her favorite program as usual. So she has planned, but she cannot control herself. Okay. Ma reminded her about her assignment. Just 5 minutes, Ma, said Sachi. So she gave excuse that, okay, I will just watch for 5 minutes, then I will complete my task. But Sachi ended up watching the whole episode. So again the same thing, she couldn't control her own emotions or her own likings. She couldn't rather control her own self. So she completed the entire episode. When Papa reached home that evening, she proudly told him how she managed to run continuously for 15 minutes. Okay, now she has not cut time from her running, but she has cut time for the assignment, so she couldn't complete it. That's nice, Sachi, he said. How is the assignment coming along? She replied guiltily, Papa, I had a lot of other homework today. I will start tomorrow. Okay, so you all are habituated with this tomorrow, right? Some of you definitely. The following day too, Sachi ended up watching TV in the afternoon. And while watching, she imagined, I won't stay back to play with my friends today. I will come straight back home after my jog. So while watching TV, she managed. She was having a feelings like I have not done my work. So how will I do? Then I will go but I will go for jogging, but I will not play with my friends. So I will do on that particular time. Again she plans. Again she plans to manage time, how to complete her task. Then in the evening, what happens? That evening, as Sachi was jogging in her neighborhood park, she heard a shout, "Sachi, come, let's have a match." Aryan was twirling a football on his finger. Before she knew it, an hour had passed. So that time also she thought, just for 5 minutes I will play with my friend. But an hour passed and she couldn't understand. That evening, before Papa asked, Sachi confessed, "I did not manage to do much work on the assignment, Papa, but I will surely do it seriously from tomorrow." So the same thing only. The week passed quickly and Sachi had managed to write just half a page of her assignment. Okay, so she couldn't complete. So the deadline was at the door only, but she couldn't complete her task. She had to write at least 2 pages and find features as well. When her parents asked her about it, she said, Rucha teacher has given us a few more days to complete the assignment. She knows about the tryouts next week. Teacher is very understanding." So see, we don't know whether she is giving excuse or she really got this opportunity, but still she tries to manage. On the day of the tryout, Sachi was not her jolly, cheerful self when she got home. "I missed the tryouts, Ma," she sobbed. So after much effort, she couldn't even perform well in football tryouts as well. Rucha teacher hadn't given us extra time for the assignment. Today, when I didn't submit the assignment, she made me go to the library and work on it. Sachi couldn't control her tears. That means she lied to her mother that she got some extra time. And when the time came, when the teacher was about to take the file, she couldn't submit, and the teacher, quite obvious, made her do the work on that part instantly. Okay, now that thing, somehow she feels, now she has started feeling guilty. She feels guilty that I couldn't complete my work, so both the works are not done in the way it should have been done. She couldn't perform well in football tryouts, as well as she couldn't complete the assignment within proper time. Ma consoled Sachi, "This was not your last chance, you know. You can always try again next year." "But I am disappointed, Sachi." "Do you know why?" asked Ma. "Because I lied to you and Papa," sniggered Sachi. So she understood her mistake. "I'm sorry, Ma. It will never ever happen again." Ma hugged her and said, "You need to take responsibility for your own work and be more disciplined, Sachi." So we need to take the entire responsibility of our own work, and we need to be self-disciplined as well. "Papa and I can't and don't want to chase you for getting your work done." Yes, her father and mother both were rather chasing her. They were giving reminder repeatedly, but she didn't pay a heed. But that is also not expected. That is also not means it's not the thing that should be done. We should be aware of our own work and our own responsibilities. You are old enough to manage such things yourself now, and you have to bear the consequence of your actions too. Yes, if we cannot do the things by our own selves, then we need to face the result as well. The consequence also, we will be liable for that only. Sachi nodded and said, "I promise I will be more careful." Ma hugged Sachi tighter. "I am sure you will. We'll go change and then let's have lunch." Sachi stood up, wiping her tears. "I will be out in just 5 minutes, she said. So this is all about the story. Now I hope all of you have understood that this 5 minutes, the excuse of 5 minutes, it costs a lot. Okay, So Sachi is just an example, and it's upon us only whether we are going to be an the Sachi or not. Let us not be so. Okay, let us learn how to do our own things, how to take our own responsibility, and how to be punctual, self-discipline. These are the most important things for a person to develop his or her personality. Okay, so what we need to always remember, that is, we need to learn how to manage time. We have the time, the entire time is somehow limited. Okay, we cannot use for any particular thing all the time, cannot be used. So if each and everything has its own particular time, and again if something extra comes, then we need to manage, we need to learn how to manage within that time to complete everything in a right way. So doing things on time is an integral part of being self-disciplined. Okay, that is inseparable. So we need to learn that. We need to create a schedule for ourselves and to set aside sufficient time for both play as well as work. For you, work means your study, your assignments, your self-study, everything. Okay, and we should not rather use any excuse. Okay, that I couldn't do this work for this particular reason. So there is no such reason. All those reasons will be considered as excuse, rather lame excuse rather. So as the task is there, so we have to do it. Soon maybe you all are going to get your assignment work. So that time only you need to remember that if I keep things to be done for means if I do not do the work right now and I keep it for to do it later, that later may not come. Okay, so the way I want it, and then maybe I have to face problems. So rather let me do the work as soon as I can manage. Then I will have enough time for leisure. That time I will relax, I will watch TV, I will play everything. But let me complete my work and as soon as possible. Okay, because that time that tension as well as anything can occur. So your work may get somehow affected due to that. So try to use time in proper way and do not use any excuse for that. And we need to be independent in the sense, I have my work and I have to manage the time. When will I do, how will I do, that everything should be upon me only. No one should be there who will always chase me or always push me to do so. If you have certain habit, try to drop it right now. Okay, because it's your life and it's your thing to do. So you have to take the initiative to do the work by your own self. No one means you shouldn't allow anyone to chase you. You shouldn't rather provide anyone such chance to chase you. Okay, and another thing is, if we will try to do the work by our own self, if we cannot do, we need to ask for help. But it's nothing like that I will never try and I will ask help to everyone all the time. It's not done. First we need to try. If we cannot do, then we will ask for help. So these are the things we need to, these are the things we learn from this particular chapter, and these are the things we need to remember always, so that we can run our life in a smooth way. I hope all of you have liked this story. This is quite interesting story and we learn a lot of things from this particular story. So I hope you all will definitely follow these guidelines. This much for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.